Dear student, today we are going to learn our first chapter. The chapter name is Computer Peripherals. Part first, the input and output devices. Okay, so in our previous class, we learned about the characteristics and the working of computer system. And we come to know that it's very fast and accurate machine with the huge storage capacity. Its work in IPO cycle, input, process and output. Here the data entered to proceed by the CPU during the second stage of this cycle. But it is not just the CPU which complete the entire cycle. Okay, so all these topics we will be study in your previous classes. So if you want to study those topics again on my channel class 3 video, watch it and it easy to understand. So today we are going to learn the peripheral devices which make to complete our computer system. So these are some topics today we are going to learn. The input devices, all the input devices, keyboard, mouse, joysticks and gaming pad, microphone, scanner, touch screen, touchpad and the trackpad. So the computer peripherals are the device which are connected with the computer to complete the other operations like data and instruction input, result generation and the data storage, etc. These can be attached with the computer system as per your need or requirement. So today in this chapter we are discussing all the input devices and output devices. So there are the multiple input devices. So let's learn. First, this is introduction. This is our IPO cycle. The computer work on a simple principles. First input, process and output. In this way, the keyboard and the mouse are the input devices. They give input to the computer system. Then it process on it all the data and lastly it gives a desired output on the monitor or the printer. The monitor and printer are the output devices and the processing is the CPU, the central processing unit. Okay. So next, the input devices. The devices which are used to enter the data and instruction in the computer are called the input devices. Okay. The types of input devices connected with the system depends upon the type of data to be proceed. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, gamepad, touchpad and the touch screen. So next. So keyboard, this is our first input devices. The keyboard is mostly used for typing device, used for typing the data. Then the keyboard is used to enter the text data and instruction in the computer. More than 100 buttons present on it. These buttons are called keys. So it is called as a keyboard. In the standard keyboard, there are the 104 keys are showing. Means the multiple types of keys are available in the keyboard. So this is the picture of keyboard. Look at here. There are the multiple special keys. Then the alphabetical keys, number keys, function keys are present here. Number keys is 0 to 9 number keys. Then the arithmetical operational key, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Then some are the special keys, means shift, caps lock, control key, windows key, alter key, backspace key, enter key. These are the special keys. Then the A to Z, these are the alphabetical key. And F1 to F10, these are the function keys. Okay. So these all the keys present on the keyboard. The next is a mouse. Okay. The next device is mouse. The mouse also called as a pointing device, used to pointing the screen object. Mouse is used to pointing and clicking the object on the screen. It has a 2 or 3 buttons on it. So look at here, this is the pointing arrow to point the object on your screen. Then the mouse, a pointing device. Look at here, this is the image of mouse. There are the mostly 2 or 3 keys. The mouse left key and right key, and in the center the scroller is used for scroll the screen in upward and downward. So then next, what are the 2 commonly used input devices? So the answer is keyboard and mouse. These are the 2 devices is commonly used. Then what are the pointing devices? So the answer is mouse, joystick and touchpad. There are the 3 pointing devices used to pointing the object. Then next is scanner. Okay, so the scanner is used to store the image, pictures and diagram into the computer system. The scanner works like a photocopier machine. Okay, so look at this image. Scanner is used to capturing the images. Okay, that's why we called as a photocopier. Okay, then next, the microphone. The microphone is used to give the input sound to the computer system, and you can record the sound or give the voice instruction to the computer. Look at here, in this picture, the boy gives, by using the microphone, record the sound. Then this is the image of microphone. Okay, then the touchpad or the trackpad. This is also a pointing device having a special surface which can be sense the movement of finger. This is mainly used in laptop and notebooks computers. Look at here, in this way we can sense the movement of finger. Okay, and we also called as a pointing device. In this way we can be pointing any object. Then the touch screen. The special type of computer screen which can be sense the touch of the computer. This technology is generally used in ATM, mobile phone and tablet, etc. So look at here, this tablet, by using to touch on the screen we can be performing all the functions. Then joystick and gaming pad. These are the 2 input devices used to play the games on the computer and also used to control the movement of object on the screen. So this is the joystick and this is the video game. Okay.
Thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear student.